You have one heart. I have one heart. But this guy has three. But here's the kicker. Having three hearts isn't a luxury. For an octopus, it's a desperate biological necessity just to stay alive. It all starts with the color of their blood. Human blood is red because of iron, but octopus blood, it's blue because it's based on copper. This copper-based protein is called hemocyanin. It's great for surviving in freezing, low-oxygen water, but it has one massive flaw. It's incredibly thick. Imagine trying to pump cold maple syrup through a tiny straw. To fix this, the octopus evolved two brachial hearts. Their only job? To shove that thick blue blood into the gills to get oxygen.
Once the blood is oxygenated, the third and largest heart, the systemic heart, takes over to pump it to the rest of the body and the brain.
But here is the weirdest part. When an octopus swims, its main heart actually stops beating.
Swimming is so physically demanding for them that their main heart can't keep up. This is why they prefer crawling. It's literally less heartbreaking. So, 3 hearts, blue blood, and a heart that stops when they exercise. The octopus isn't just a sea creature, it's a biological masterpiece. If you love animal and human body facts, make sure to like and subscribe for more.